G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay, and we're here today at a fantastic townhouse, unit number 10 in the popular and tightly held La Piazza complex. There's a bit to take in. Let's go and take a look around. Don't miss this opportunity to secure your piece of paradise. Easy walking distance to the beach and esplanade along the vibrant Torquay shopping precinct in one of Hervey Bay's highly sought after beachside suburbs of Torquay. Perfectly positioned in the secure gated community at La Piazza, opposite the sparkling in-ground pool and barbecue area. This stylish and well-maintained townhouse will be ideal for those wanting a low-maintenance home base to return to between their nomadic travels, or a solid investment opportunity offering strong returns. Completed in 2004, La Piazza comprises a selection of only 22 tightly held, architecturally designed townhouses with a contemporary coastal design. A place where peace and privacy meet in the cosmopolitan heart of a thriving seaside community with a secure gated entry and exit point. You will appreciate and enjoy the lifestyle of being able to stroll to key amenities nearby, including the Torquay Hotel and bustling Torquay Beach shopping strip, which offers plenty of cafe and restaurant options to enjoy, as well as the convenience of having the Torquay Heights Shopping Centre with a service station, BWS, bakery, cheesecake shop, pizza shop and gym all nearby as well. Set over 2 levels, this large townhouse features high ceilings across the ground floor with a statement wide double entry door, fresh interiors, quality finishes and a spacious open plan design for effortless indoor-outdoor living. It also includes a great pet-friendly private courtyard complete with a catio for those with feline family members. You also have an intercom mobile app system for entry via the front gates. The vast open plan living and dining area does form the heart of this home on the ground floor and includes reverse cycle split system air conditioning for year-round comfort. The kitchen features a large island bench with a breakfast bar, providing loads of preparation area along with generous storage space and a pantry. Appliances include an electric hot plate with a range hood, a wall oven and a dishwasher, completing this entertainer's delight. The dining and living areas seamlessly connect with that wonderful alfresco outdoor entertaining area, complete with roller shade blinds and a private courtyard. This is where you'll enjoy and appreciate Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. You have a second, fully enclosed outdoor area with an insulated roof that will suit a range of applications, and you've got that catio directly to the rear. This fantastic townhouse does include 4 spacious bedrooms, each with a ceiling fan and a built-in wardrobe. 1 bedroom is located on the ground floor, while the remaining 3 are upstairs. The ground floor bedroom features a ceiling fan, a built-in wardrobe and a study desk. You've also got a bathroom with a shower, vanity and toilet on the ground floor, accessed through from the laundry, plus you've got great storage under that stairwell as well. Heading upstairs, you have 3 spacious bedrooms, all with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. The bathroom features floor-to-ceiling tiles and includes a shower, bath, vanity and a toilet. The spacious main bedroom includes a ceiling fan, reverse cycle split system air conditioning and a walk-in wardrobe, along with a lavish ensuite with floor-to-ceiling tiles, a sumptuous spa bath, a shower, a double basin vanity and a toilet. You also have a lovely outlook across the pool area with sea glimpses to boot. A single garage provides vehicle accommodation with a remote panel lift door and direct internal access into the home, plus a parking space in front of the garage. There are also visitor parking bays directly across from this home. La Piazza resort facilities include a sparkling resort-style swimming pool with large shade umbrella and a barbecue area. Townhouses in La Piazza are always tightly held, and finding a townhouse of this size is rare, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.